Paul Peasant.
Come on, woman.
Jackson. So this looks like it was a little house or something. But I just found a huge well.
A well?
Yeah.
Like a wishing well? Because I need a new tender. Oh, that's not a well.
What is it?
That's where they used to throw like
Dead
chicks
bodies.
that were like really badly behaved.
Shut up.
Come here,
There you are.
Good boy. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. This way.
I didn't know exactly where.
I mean, I can take off the shirt.
Hiking shoes.
Let's worry about Jackson. Cool, isn't it?
Little fire pit.
There's a tree in there. Who puts a tree in their house?
I don't think they chose to put a tree in their house.
In fact, there's...
Look at that.
Yeah.
Whoa. Yeah, but this one's not as deep as the other one was.
Oh, ease up. I mean, some people are not as rich as others. Okay, buddy, come on. Oh, now the oars are in his way. Just look out for the oars, alright, when you jump in. Have your foot. Yeah, there you go, yeah, that's them. See you looking. I'm loving Greece already. This is so incredible. Everyone sits there and goes,
do not winter sail.
but winter sailing's been so cool. Like that bay right now, we just anchored right up on that beach. Took Jackson for a walk, hung around, checked out some goats. We didn't see him. When he saw him on the boat, we didn't actually see him cruising around. But like, we're the only boats here, and it's just so cool. Because I can imagine in the summer, there could be like 10 boats anchored in there. Apparently up in the mountain just there was an earthquake. The whole village just like got crumbled. But you see like half the houses there, they were their own little wells and stuff. It was really cool. Holy crap. It's a lot warmer when you get out past the sun, huh? Jackson's loving life. Hey mate.
Finny just got a little seasick for the first time, actually. So now he's cuddling with Jackson to get better. He needs a bit of brotherly love. Poor Bubby. Ryan's downstairs making breakfast and coffees, which is usually my job, but it's enough swell that I don't really want to risk going down there because we've got an 8-hour day.
You got this? Bloody hell, it's rocky down there, eh?
Yeah, so I didn't want to do it. Alright, we're here, and the boys are watching Ryan get the tender sorted.
Yeah, it'll come too soon, eh?
What are you doing out here, sir?
The bloody carby's blocked off again. And this is the new one. I emptied out the bowl and like all this sand and gunk, like corrosion just poured out. So I think that corrosion's just collected at the bottom there while we just sat at the marina and that and been on the hard for last month. So I think it's just kind of shit itself and blocked up. Alright, so hopefully it works now. I'm sick of rowing his ass to the shore like 4 times a day.
I don't want to alarm anyone, but wife material.
Apparently from a comment on YouTube.
We live boring lives and we shouldn't document it. Well, bitch, I'm documenting this shit.
What more do they want? What more do you want?
Give us $10,000, we'll do something interesting. Yeah. Look at that. Oh.
Cheers and beers.
No,
Cheers and beers. We're currently passage planning.
So Nafpaktos tomorrow or
Maybe.
Itia?
Oh,
or
yes.
I've got a couple of
stay
other
in
choices.
Misolongi.
I want to go to the island.
So,
Which island?
The one that I wanted to go back in Australia to.
Tasmania.
I think that's the wrong
Not
island.
bad.
Finny. It's a beautiful morning.
These two are so funny. So Jackson's run up there to bark at the birds, I'm assuming, and Finn just ran up to follow him. So these are the original World War II shacks that never got bombed. Is that right? In World War II, apparently the whole town got bombed.
These are the only things that survived.
Yeah, these are the only things that survived, so they're like pretty iconic around here. Where are we going?
We're going under a suspension bridge.
So as we head out now, we're going under this massive suspension bridge, which we've got a radio in for permission to go under into the Gulf of Corinth. Vince just like living his best life on top of the carpet up there. What are you doing, mate?
He's going crazy. Look at His Majesty soaking up the sun.
So as you'll see in the footage of me climbing up the mast, the forestay's unwrapped itself. The most frustrating thing about it though is that when Rick went up a few days earlier, we got that footage too, to check the rigging for us, it was fine. So we've actually wrecked it. That's cost us quite a bit of money now because we're gonna have to fix that. And still got to fix these shrouds. We're in a really
shit situation.
Yeah, because we just spent all this money fixing the bottom. The good thing is if we can get pushed past this, then it's just, we're good for like the next 10 years of real big maintenance. Re-on traffic, sailing vessel Sunday, over. We're 2 sailing vessels heading towards the bridge. Permission to cross under, over. We are approaching from the east. West. We are west heading east. Both sailing vessels are 20 meters high. Here's the bridge. First bridge, Brittany.
I'm nervous.
I know. I actually said our mast is 20 meters high. I got no idea, so.
Ryan, why would you say that? Okay, we're doing it! Our first bridge, you scared? Scared?
Like and subscribe and watch the ads.
Watch the ads so we can buy new rigging.
Oh yeah, that's another one.
Alright, we're going straight into a tanker ship. Where do you even go?
Yeah. So we're gonna reverse into this bad boy and drop anchor out the front. And we're reversing in, we got about 20 knots blowing. So I don't know how we're gonna do this, but let's give it a whirl. I'm gonna stop recording now because I need to concentrate. So this is not a very good second med more for us, is it, Brittany? So what's happened is Brittany dropped the anchor and the bloody bolt snapped on the gypsy. So this snapped off on this bad boy here. So luckily Brittany was just lowering the anchor before she decided to drop it, because we were going to drop it right in the entrance there. So we would have been almost screwed because there's no way to bring it back up in these winds. I managed to catch it, but we've probably got about 120 meters of rope and chain out. We're kind of just stuck out the front of the walls here. What we might do is leave the boat here and try and find somewhere that we can get this bolt fixed. Jesus Christ. Hope this rope's good, that's for sure, eh? So now, for a few days, we've got our furling on the head sails broken, which then broke our forestay, and now we've got a broken windlass with chain stuck out in the middle of a 20-knot day. So this really sucks. Yeah, things come in threes, so we're on like 7, so I hope that it gets better from here on out. If it wasn't so windy, at least it would just be like calm, but I'm really on edge right now. I don't want to turn the motor off, so I might leave the motor on until the wind dies down tonight, in case we've got to make a quick getaway or cut this rope. And then I guess dive down and grab it in this 4-degree water in the middle of winter. Hold on a sec. Yeah? Is that Salacia?
Sunday, Salacia, do you copy over?
Salacia is a Sunday copy.
Rick's now got the tender in. The water, he's just adding the outboard to it, and he'll mosey on out to you. There's a couple of fellas on shore that look like they may be able to look after you once we can get you in. We just got to get you in. Other than that, just sit tight until Rick gets out to you, over.
Wow. Fixed it.
Winch handle.
You could have got one shift in for 50 bucks.
Yeah, it would have cost 50 bucks just to buy that plus shipping.
You young millennials have got a lesson to learn.
We can fix stuff still.
You can fix it, you don't have to throw it out, you don't have to buy new.
Yeah, because
So-
Ryan's instinct was, shit, we're gonna have to order that online and get it delivered.
Well, how else are you going to do it? I didn't think you could fix that, huh?
And look where we are now.
I know.
Be a magical place.
Look at the boys over there. Frick, it was hell to get here though. I cried a lot. Thank God for Ryan. So close yet so far. Come on, you're almost here. Get your oars out. Don't fight it.
So, that was pretty scary, wasn't it? The bolt in the windlass snapped, and the chain just came flying out, and it was like 20 knots of wind out there, waves crashing, and it wasn't good. It was a scary situation.
It was really scary. I was a mess.
But the guy at the pub, we're gonna go have a beer. We don't usually like spend money at these pubs because we are on a tight budget, but we're gonna go have a beer because he put us onto his mate who's an engineer who actually owns a boatyard nearby, who drove down. We tapped out the broken thread inside the gypsy wheel in the anchor windlass, and then he drove back to his boatyard. He drilled a hole through it, he welded in another thread and then grounded it down so we can still fit our winch handle in there to loosen it and stuff. And I think it took about an hour. So
That's crazy.
yeah, €50. So €50 well spent really. He made some good money and he got us out of shit. Realistically, we got to get out of the country in a couple of weeks, and
That guy saved our ass.
he saved our ass, because otherwise we have to order a part online. We have to pay to marina to go there for at least a couple of nights to wait for postage, and it probably would have cost us €50 for the part anyway, plus another €200 or €300 to berth at a marina or something. So really, it was so good, and we got it done in an hour. Can you believe that? An hour.
That's crazy.
And this was a part that I looked at going, how the f are we gonna fix that?
Yeah. Alright.
Good bloke, huh?
Yeah, so good.
You're lucky. It's a lot calmer now, isn't it? For Sunday. That's where we were stuck today. Brinny, do you feel better? Brinny's having a rough afternoon. See how it tapers?
Yeah, it's so cool. Oh wow.
Yes.
We're trying to get sober.
We survived. We did it. Yeah.
Brittany, you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Brittany only eats some octopus nuts. I think it's just balls of octopus, Rick, not actual like nuts of octopus.
It's called
We've had a rough
methylated
day.
spirit.
1, 2, 3.
Go.
I feel like I
Good work,
grew some
ladies.
chest hair.
Good.
Oh my god!
Sun is out here overseas. Dark emotions ever torn so deep. Falling down through the clouds. I'm feeling you. Stay away from me. You keep haunting me.
Like and subscribe. It's got hair in my face. Ah, Jackson. Jackson says like and describe.
Describe.
Like and subscribe. He's really heavy. He's tricking me. Like